This P1100 repairing video is dedicated to Lexus's drivers. If your Lexus is getting a P1100 error code, this video is going to show you 2 practical solutions to fix the error code at home. Use the LEXUS app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P1100. The code is stored when the Powertrain Control Module detects a MAF sensor signal that falls above or below the manufacturer's calibrated limits. Here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Lexus's P1100 error code. Method A, MAF Sensor. Carefully remove the MAF sensor from your car and do a quick inspection around. The wire inside often gets dirty and needs to be cleaned. You can spray the MAF sensor cleaner onto the wire perpendicularly to the ground, so that it won't damage the MAF sensor. Reinstall the MAF sensor back in the car after it gets dry. Method B, the air filter. Locate the air filter housing. It usually looks like a black plastic box. Disengage the cover to expose the air filter. Be careful not to dislodge any hoses or stretch any wiring when you do this. Remove the old filter carefully. Pay attention to the orientation of the filter as it comes out of the housing. Clean out any excess dirt or debris inside the compartment before installing the new filter. Follow the orientation of the removed filter and put the new filter in place. Make sure the outer seal is seated properly before closing the cover. Close the cover and replace the clips and screws. So here are 2 of the most practical solutions to fix Lexus's P1100 error code. After the repair, you can now use the LEXUS app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle.